how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go live trade in the markets, and it's currently like 9 a.m. Eastern time. That means literally in 30 minutes, the session of New York Stock Exchange will open, right? That's when the new volume will come into the markets and banks will open, etc, etc. And you know, the reason why I record these kind of videos is just to bring some transparency. I've said this before, but there's a lot of fluff in the space, a lot of BS traders who just talk shit, just teach, but not actually trade. So I will go into the markets, I'm gonna show you everything, and you know, I wish there would have been videos like this back when I started, because you know, I could have become profitable way faster if there would have been transparency like this, and you know, to actually show that the strategy works, etc. Let's just go to the markets, enough talking, and if I find a trade, I'm gonna show you. All right guys, I sold the markets on US 500. Follow this downtrend. I'm gonna put the stop loss for the spread. All right, close some profits. There we go. I'm gonna take like a de-risked entry if this BOS happens, guys. I gotta be fast though. I gotta be very fast. De-risked entry from here. Stop loss on the order block. All right, I'm out. All right, quick little trade recap. I took 2 trades overall, made $700, but you know, even though I took 2 trades, I won 1 trade and I lost 1 trade, $700 at the end of the day. And I'm gonna explain you exactly how did that happen. Let's do this little recap quickly. So look at this. First of all, let's go to the daily time frame. I just saw immediately, look at this huge downtrend that we've been on in this huge time frame. Look at this. This is literally our low lows, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs, low lows, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, right? We have to look for sales. However, obviously, the reason why I didn't immediately sell, because the session opened. I'm going to show you quickly in the recap mode so you understand better. As soon as the session opened, we took out some sell side liquidity. Now, the thing about this sell side liquidity, it has this chance, and most likely will usually, it will momentarily at least push the price to the upside if it's a sell side liquidity, because you know, there's literally stop losses right there. Price will fill them and fake the people out and etc. But I waited, okay? I didn't want to look for buys just yet. We didn't even get the right confirmation. This is the bearish order block. We tapped into that, and then we start to rally down, right? Hit the news, okay? The price was dead before the 10 a.m. news. There was like, what was this? There was this JALTS job opening news at 10 a.m. Eastern time, right? So I kind of wanted to wait for that, and then we'll break structure, and then after the break structure, naturally there will be the last up candle, which is the bearish order block. And look at this, we actually did tap into that, get immediate reaction to the downside. That's a very good sign, guys. That's a very good sign. In the trend, if you want to look for sells, you need to see selling pressure. You need to see the trend, the downtrend getting respected constantly. That's when you're gonna look for sells. And how do you see the respect? Well, literally, if we have these order blocks are literally tools to see, are we gonna respect the trend? Look at this. Broke structure, tap the order block, start to rally down. That's immediate sign. So I wanted to see one more break of structure after the order block to the downside to enter. However, the first BOS happened here, but it didn't happen nicely. The reshort ratio would have been shit, and it kind of barely broke structure. But then broke structure right here, so I entered right there. My broker got me in here, and I entered, and I targeted this liquidity right there. Go right there, take profit, boom, like 1.2k in this trade. Retrace a little bit, broke structure again. I wanted to just sell it immediately, but the thing what happened, it actually stopped me out, tapping into this 5-minute bearish order block right there. Could have been waiting for that if I would have wanted to be extra patient, but the good thing is I risk less in this trade. I said it in the call, I risk less because I want to make sure that when we get later in the session, the market conditions are kind of shit, I want to be risking less, okay? This is the thing, guys. Lesson for today is always make sure that your winners outweigh your losses. I made $700 net profit, like literally profit for today, even though I took 1 win and 1 loss. How? Because I know risk management, I know the market conditions. Still, $700 profit, and Glad it went that way. Man, just like that, 700 bucks, ended the day like that. Trading day is officially finished. Most likely I will hit the gym now. And this is, you know, I also record this video just to show my life as well. You know, I woke up, get into the markets, trade. You know, this is why I started trading. It's the freedom, guys. As you saw, literally I took 2 trades. 1 win, 1 loss, still made money. You have to make sure that your winners are bigger than your losers. All right, that's just how it goes. That's how you become profitable in the long run, always. But obviously now you're like, I want to start making at least $10,000 a month. I personally achieved that at 17, you know, so you can take my word. If you would want to achieve that 10K mark a month at least as a trader, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free course where I will literally teach you about the secrets about these markets, how to make 10K a month, why do most people lose, why are these markets manipulated, etc, etc. Enough talking. Click the first link, subscribe, and yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.